you live anywhere in these red zones? If so, we are tracking 3 distinct severe weather threats for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and we're going to go through these one by one and give you the full breakdown of what to expect in your area. First, we have a pronounced upper level trough that will track from the Canadian prairies to the upper Midwest to the Great Lakes. Ahead of the system, there will be a narrow warm sector where Cape values could exceed 2,000 joules per kilogram, which would indicate moderate instability. There's also expected to be an uptick in wind shear, which creates spin, and that can produce a few supercells. A few showers may develop in the morning, but that will give way to a more intense and widespread squall line that will develop in the afternoon and evening. The SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that includes portions of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. This includes Kankakee, Champaign, South Bend, Fort Wayne, Kokomo, Lafayette, Detroit, Ann Arbor, Kalamazoo, and Toledo, among others. A level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in dark green includes the Chicagoland area, Indianapolis, and St. Louis, among others. Once again, this includes potential for a few tornadoes, with the highest probability in this brown zone that includes southwest Michigan, the northwest corner of Ohio, and northern Indiana. The most widespread concern will be for damaging straight line winds, which is most likely in this yellow zone. There's also potential for large hail of up to 2 inches in diameter. That is most likely in this yellow area. At the same time, we have a strong heat dome that's positioned near the four corners, bringing the most intense heat of the year to the south central U.S. But embedded within this heat dome, there is going to be a sticky area of low pressure over the Texas Panhandle. That creates upslope flow, which leads to rising motion, and rising motion tends to produce rain and storms. This is in conjunction with elevated instability from eastern Colorado to the southern plains. This results in scattered storms developing near the Rockies and Interstate 25 and pushing eastward throughout the day. The SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that covers much of eastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, and the southwest corner of Nebraska. This includes the Denver Metro, Fort Collins, Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Lyman, and Cheyenne, among others. In addition to heavy downpours, the biggest concern will be for large and destructive hail, which could exceed 2 inches in diameter in this pink zone. The highest probability of that occurring would be in this yellow zone, which includes the Interstate 25 corridor. Additionally, hurricane force damaging straight line winds are a concern farther south, most likely in this blue zone that includes south central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, and the edge of the Texas Panhandle. Damaging straight line winds are most likely to occur in this yellow zone that includes Denver and Colorado Springs, though a tornado is currently not anticipated. At the same time, clusters of storms will develop near the Ozarks and push eastward toward the Mississippi River Delta. The SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that includes southern Missouri, most of Arkansas, western Tennessee, and northwest Mississippi. This includes Branson, Little Rock, Hot Springs, Jonesboro, Harrison, Memphis, and Greenville, among others. The chief concern here is for damaging straight line winds, which is most likely in this yellow zone. Please stay safe, and for continuous coverage of severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.